So here we want to add polynomials. In this problem, we want to find the sum of 4x squared plus 2x minus 3 and 3x squared plus 6. So in order to add, we just need to combine like terms. We can line up our work to add vertically or horizontally. So in the first way, to add vertically, I am going to put my 4x squared plus 2x minus 3. And then on the bottom, I'm going to line up the 3x squared for the like term and the 6 for the like term. So I did leave a space so I can line up all of the like terms appropriately, and we are adding. So now I'm just going to focus on the coefficients. We have 4 plus 3, which is 7. 2x has nothing to combine, so I can just go ahead and bring that down. And then we have negative 3 plus 6, which gives me a positive 3. Another way of solving this would be to add horizontally, which just says we're putting it side by side. So we have 4x squared plus 2x minus 3 plus 3x squared plus 6. And then I'm just going to combine my like terms. So 4x squared positive 3x. So we have 7x squared. Then I'm going to combine my x's. So 2x is the only term with an x. So positive 2x, I just bring it down. And my constants, so negative 3, positive 6, positive 3. So I end up with the same answer. However, I can choose whichever method works best for me. So here we have two examples to simplify, writing our answer in standard form. So for the first one, I am going to approach it using horizontally. So we have a 3x squared and no other term has a 3x squared. So I'm just going to bring it down. Then I have a positive 2x and a negative x, which gives me a positive 1x or just x. And then I have 9, my constant. There is no other 9, so I can just go ahead and bring it down. In my next example, I'm going to approach it by adding vertically. So I did write one polynomial on top of the other, and I did line up my like terms. So now I can go ahead and bring my negative 2x squared down because there's nothing to combine. Then I have positive 5 and positive 3, so I can add, giving me positive 8x. And then I have negative 7 plus 7, which end up canceling out because that gives me 0, and I don't need to write the 0 term. So that is my simplified polynomial.